In this session, let's understand about how to implement responsive design in your app and provide a great user experience. Here is an example of an app layout that is developed for a large screen, but it will result in a poor user experience on a mobile. Users cannot see what is going on here, they cannot understand what these icons are indicating. So a non-responsive design results in a bad user experience. It makes it really hard to use the app, and your users will obviously move away to some other app. So enter responsive design. Under responsive design, we will try to adjust our app content, our app's screen content to various screen sizes so that our app screen will look nicer on any kind of device. So here is YouTube app appearing on a large screen. So this is taken on macOS Chrome browser. So here you can see that the side navigation menu and each item, we can clearly see it. And when we move to a medium screen size, when I resize the window to a medium size, you can see that side menu is now collapsed into a menu with icons and labels, right? And then when I resize the screen to a small size, now the menu is completely collapsed and a button is provided for us to open the menu. So this provides a better, and in fact a great user experience for the users because now they can interact with the app without any problem, irrespective of the size of the screen or the platform they're using. So what are the important things to consider to implement a responsive design? So number one is how many layouts are you going to implement, and then how to adopt our UI structure and the UI components for various screen sizes, and what are some of the principles and patterns that you can apply so that it makes your life easier when you are dealing with responsive design. Because without any set of principles and patterns, we will be lost. We will be thinking in our own customized way when there are patterns that already solved the problems. So enter Google's material design, and Google's material design provides us some very good guidelines on how to implement a responsive layout. So here we have one fundamental concept called responsive layout grid. So responsive layout grid is simply means that we will imagine our screen as a grid layout containing a set of columns, okay? And for each screen size, we would imagine the number of columns would change. That is why we call it as a responsive layout grid.